So just checking my comments this morning on my update videos that have just been put up yesterday and the day before. And I'm getting a couple of people now saying that their app update is the 1.13.9. And another one saying that the latest update on the RC2, these waypoints weren't working correctly. So I've just turned on the controller at the moment and it's doing a DJI Fly update, which you can see at the moment. So we'll see what that is in a moment and checking the app, and obviously to see also what the firmware numbers are. So lots going on at the moment then. Rather confusing. Because I went out yesterday. I'll be honest, I never checked my waypoints because you just can't check everything. But I've had a few people saying that their waypoints, it's not storing the information. So let's see what's happening. So I've just shut down the controller and the drone, and we'll just see what's going to happen now with the controller. So the device is starting up. My broadcast I've done this morning because I was having a few issues with updating my RC2. So what I had to do was do a factory reset. Now DJI had sent to me do a couple of things like holding the controller for 3, 10, 15 seconds. It wasn't doing nothing. So I completely cleared off everything off my controller. I'm having to go back into it again, and to log in. And at the moment, I'm just reconnecting my drone up. Okay, it's taking me through all the other things. The Mini 4 Pro. And all that is really is for the RC2. And this is really from yesterday about the enhanced transmission. So I'm going to do that update. It will take about 10 minutes. We'll see if that's true. So at long last, it took more than 10 minutes. I think we was talking about over half an hour for that upload. Anyway, I went into my about, and it's the new app, which is the 1.13.9. But what I did notice was the software. Let's check it again now. It was sorry. Oh no. To me, the software, the aircraft firmware, I should say, is 01.000600. Now I thought some people's was 700. But anyway, I'm going to turn off the drone. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the controller back on and just see if there's a time factor. I can't believe 2 weeks ago it was on 1.13.5 and now we are already on to 1.139. Right, just going to turn the controller on and see how quick that kicks in. And also, while I'm doing that, I'm just going to check my app again, because some people were saying their app was showing a new one, but I wasn't getting that. Right, let's have a look. Yeah, I've still got 1.13. Okay, so that's fine. So that's all working fine. It says I've turned the drone off now. Right, so that's good. That's good. It's just says fix some bugs, and it's going to be a quick one as well. So what I'll do once that's done, okay, connection successful. So I need to check the. Oh yeah, I've got to bound it as well. Yeah. I'll tell you what, it's a lot quicker on the RCM2 than it is the RC2. If anything's changed. So the app version on here is the 1.13.8. So looks like there might be an issue with the waypoints thing. I'll just check for updates on that, because it's possible there could be another update. No, it says firmware up to date, so that hasn't been resolved. Okay, so I'll just click on waypoints now. Obviously, no point me doing it at the moment because I'm indoors. Okay, guys, so I'm going to finish the video now. If you don't hear nothing later on today, after I've been out checking the waypoints on both controllers, obviously it looks like on this one, the issue is being resolved. Maybe there wasn't an issue with the RCN2. I don't know. So I'm going to find out. So it's going to be another video very soon.